Hi, first graders. Today is Thursday, and it is our fourth day of doing our straw card, which says ah, ah. Let's review some spellings for it. We have AU, like in the word aug, the word is August. We have AL, like in the word bald. We have AL, like in the word also. AU, like in the word haunt. AU, like in the word, let's sound this one out together. Ah, word is sauce. AW, like in the word y. Word is AU, sound it out. E, B, Oz, word is because. AUGH is another type of spelling. ER says d, ah, word is doctor. I have A, like in the word ball. AW, sound it out. Word is. Okay, sound this word out. Word is lawn. Get rid of the N. Think. Say the new word is law. What's the word? Add an S at the end of the word. Think. Say the new word is laws. What's the word? Change L to P. Think. Say the new word is pause. What's the word? Now we are going to change this word to a homophone of pause. A homophone is two words that sound the same but are spelled differently and mean a different meaning. So this word right here, pause, is like an animal has a paw and then there is more than one. So you could say my dog has four paws. Now, if you are playing a video and you need to stop it for just a minute, you would hit the button that is called pause. Now, that word is spelled P-A-U-S-E. So the word pause, spelled like this, is a homophone for the word pause, spelled like that. Here's our new word, pause. What's the word? Change P to C. Think. Say the new word is cause. What's the word? Add two L's right here. Think. Say the word is calls. What's the word? Get rid of the S. Think. Say the word is call. What's the word? Change C to M. Think. Say new word is mall. What's the word? Add an S at the beginning of the word. Think. Say the word is small. What's the word? Change SM to ST. Think. Say the word is tall. What's the word? Change T to F. Think. Say the word is fall. What's the word? Change LL to N. Think. Say the word is fawn. What's the word? Change F to D. Think. Say the word is dawn. What's the word? Good. Okay, moving on to our bling words. Our bling words this week are color words. Our first bling word this week is red. What's the word? All right, let's spell it. Ready? Spell R-E-D. My favorite color is red. What's the word? Next word is green. What's the word? Spell it. G-R-E-E-N. I like when the trees are green in the summer. Next word is blue. What's the word? Spell it. B-L-U-E. The sky looks very blue today. Next word is brown. What's the word? Spell it. B-R-O-W-N. I wear a lot of brown in the fall. Last word is yellow. What's the word? Ready? Spell Y-E-L-L-O-W. The color yellow makes me happy. All right, we are reading the story called Not Too Small today. What's the story called? All right, this word is always. What's the word? This word is they. What's the word? This word is one. What's the word? This word is of. What's the word? This word is said. What's the word? This word is can't. What's the word? This word is a contraction for the words can not. So remember when we have a contraction with not, we get rid of the O and put an apostrophe in its place. Next word. This word is friend. What's the word? This word is want. What's the word? This word is another. What's the word? And this word is would. What's the word? All right, not too small. So we have the word crew, which has our oo sound from last week. We have AL and the word always that says aw. All right, let's go ahead and read this page together. Ready? Read. Each day, a crew of apes always played ball. They played from morning to night. They loved to play, but not with the small apes. So these guys want to play ball, but they don't want to play with the small apes. If you look on the next page, you can see the small apes there. All right, here is the word daughters, which has our ah sound in it. We also have the word ball right there, and also, and naughty. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. One of the ape's daughters said, Mother and Father, why can't we play ball with you? My friend and I might be smaller than you, but we want to play also, brother, too. Mother thought for a while. Then she said, We will let you play, but do not be rude or naughty. So they get to play as long as they behave. Next page, we have the word taught. We have the word small. Once again, we have the word daughter and caught. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Read. So the big apes taught the small apes how to play. Then they all played a game. The daughter caught the ball. Another ape took a picture of the super catch. When the game was over, the apes all sat down and had fruit and blue juice. It was such a fun time. Hey, last page. Let's see, we have the word small. Ready? Read. From then on, the big apes would call, there's another word with our ah sound, would call the small apes to play ball. All the apes love to play, Father said. We know that you can help us just like we can help you. It is good to be small. So remember that everybody should have a chance to play. All right, we have been talking about vowel teams. A vowel team is when you have two letters that act as a team and they must stay together in the same syllable. So here we have the word crawling. What's the word? If we clap out the word crawling, we have crawling. So we have crawling. AW stays together, crawl, and then ing is our last part. Okay, let's look at a few more vowel teams. All right, here we have the word because. Okay, if you listen to the first part, we have because. The E says its name, which means that that's where we cut off the syllable. When we have an open syllable, which means that the E or the other vowel is at the end of the syllable, the vowel says its name. So we have B, and then AU is a vowel team, cuz. So that's where we split. Okay? Then we have daughter. So we have daughter. Okay? Here's our vowel team, our R controlled vowel ER right here. And then AUGH is also a vowel team. That's one of our spellings for this week. Okay? Next we have the word railroad. Clap the word railroad. Railroad. We are splitting it after the L. So we have the word rail and then the word road. Let's look at the vowel teams here. AI says A, so we have rail. And then OA says O, so we have road, railroad. Okay. Now, we have been talking about personal or possessive pronouns. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing, and a pronoun is something that replaces the noun. So if we have a possessive pronoun, that means that it shows who or what has or owns something. Okay? So if we have the word my, that means that it belongs to you. So you could say, this is my house. Or if somebody's holding up a shirt and says, whose is this? You could say, that is mine. Okay, so that's one person and it's talking about yourself. Okay, now we have your. This is your house, or is this yours? That means that you own it. Okay, this is his house, her house, or hers. This is hers. Then we have our. This is our house, or is this ours? And then we have its, and theirs. So those are all possessive pronouns. So a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, and if it's possessive, it means that you or it owns it. That's all for today. Check back tomorrow.